Step 1, copy this link. Step 2, paste it inside here and click on generate. And step number 3, you can get paid money online using this incredibly viral niche that I'm going to show you in this video. Now guys, you don't need a camera for this. You don't need to record your face. You don't need to record your voice. You don't need any experience or any following online to do this method, and you can be a complete beginner from anywhere in the world. And I'm going to show you this incredibly viral niche that you can hop into to generate millions of monthly views and start a successful TikTok business by copying other successful TikTok businesses. Now before I get started, I just want to mention that I'm launching a brand new affiliate marketing training program with coaching on September 24th. So if you're interested in that, make sure to click the first link below this video and join the waiting list. I'm also going to give you a sneak peek of what's inside the course and 5 insane bonuses. So if you want to check that out, click the first link below this video. So now that we have everything out of the way, let's get started right now. So as you can see on screen, this TikTok account called reddit.stories is getting 50,000 views every single video, and some of these videos are even going viral, like this one 100,000 views, like this one 440,000 views, or like this one 570,000 views. And I'm going to show you in this video how these TikTok businesses are creating these videos without showing their face, without recording their voice. All they are doing is adding a free background video and adding text to speech on screen. And I'm going to show you in this video how you can do that as well using my very simple step-by-step strategy, and how you can get millions of monthly views just like this TikTok account and send it to your affiliate link. So when you click on the link in his bio, you can see guys that he's promoting his other social media networks. But I'm going to show you a strategy that you can use to promote affiliate links on ClickBank and make passive income with this exact method. So stick with me guys, you have never seen anything like this before. And these are all basic videos that you can create in a matter of minutes. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do so and how to get content for these videos. And then I'm going to show you how you can monetize your TikTok account with an affiliate offer. Alright, so the first step is to get content for our videos. And to do that, all you need to do is open a new tab on Google and search Reddit or best Reddit stories, right? You can do something like this. And now as you can see, 12 of the most fascinating subreddits for mostly true stories. And these are very popular stories that users or viewers like to read, right? So you can go down and you can see this is the relationship niche, this is the confessions. But basically what you can do is you can click on the relationship advice subreddit, and you can scroll down and find a good subreddit with a lot of upvotes. So this will give you an idea that it's popular and that it might do well on TikTok. So I'm having trouble to tell my husband, and I'm finally ready to be his wife now. So you can do something like this, right? And now we can use the content of this subreddit and add it to our video. So that leads me to step number 2. Head over to Canva and create a free account if you don't have one, and search for, let's do TikTok video, right? So click on TikTok, and now you want to create a blank TikTok. You can close this, and now what you want to do, the first thing when you have Canva, now we need a background video, right? So as you can see on these TikTok accounts, they are using basic and simple background videos on each video. So head over to pexels.com, now scroll down, click on videos, and now make sure to pick a video that's related to your niche, right? So this would be something good that I can use for my niche, the relationship niche, a view of a lake, right? So I can use something like this. So I'm going to click on it, right? Click on free download. I'm going to pause it and click on download. So now head back over to Canva, click on uploads, click on upload file, and you want to upload the file that you have downloaded and add it to your Canva, right? There's some background music. I'm going to make this bigger so it fits the entire screen, just like this. Now you want to head back over to the subreddit and copy the text, and we're going to turn it into text to speech, right? So make sure to copy it, right? Click on copy. Now open a new tab and type video.co with a W, text to speech, and paste it inside here. And when you click on preview, right, you can see guys that it's automatically...
It's a very complicated story how me and my husband got married. But to make a long story short, it's a lot of family issue, debts, and cultural things.
So as you can see, the software automatically converted the text into speech, and now you can also download this. So make sure to click on download, drag it over to your desktop. Now head back over to Canva, click on upload, and make sure to upload the file that you have just downloaded, right? So the audio converted from text to speech, right? So make sure to add this to the beginning. Now, since this is 59 seconds long, we need to make this video, right, also 59 seconds long. So what you can do is basically just duplicate these pages 5 times, right, or 6 times. So it's basically 60 minutes long. So as you can see, now it's 49 seconds long, 59, so perfect. Now we want to drag this to the beginning and now click on it. And as you can see, we have the automated text-to-speech. So when you click on play,
it's a very complicated story how me and my husband got married.
All right, so perfect. Now we have one more thing to do, and is to add the text on screen. So what you want to do is click on text, click on add a heading, right? We can drag this up, and now we can copy the entire subreddit article. Once again, head back to Canva, and now make sure the font is smaller, so make sure something like 18. All right, so let's do 24. This doesn't matter because we're going to be editing it anyway. And now you want to check, guys, where the text ends for this first section.
Cultural things involved.
Cultural things involved. So this is the first part. So we can copy this, right? We can copy this. We can delete it. Just like that. And this is the first part of the video. We can make this a bit skinnier so it fits the screen. All right, so basically watch what I'm doing. So I'm gonna make it bigger now, 60. All right, just like this. I can do white and bold, and I can also add a background rectangle. And let me show you guys. I'm gonna make it look super nice, just like this. I'm gonna make it black. I'm gonna move it backwards, and I'm also gonna make it a bit more transparent. So maybe 60 or 70. Awesome, that looks perfect. I can make this smaller, and I'm gonna do this for all of the next parts, but obviously I'm gonna change the text. So what I can do is I can copy this. Wait, I can copy this and I can paste it inside the second section, right? Just like this. I'm gonna put it in the middle, and now once again you can hear where it ends.
It's been 3 years since our marriage.
It's been 3 years since our marriage, so just start where you ended. All right, it's been 3 years since our marriage, and now once again just paste it inside here. And I'll just continue for the entire video so it's finished. So you get what I mean, guys. You basically just once again copy this, you know, paste it in the new section, and now start where you were left off. So it's been 3 years since our marriage. Now continue and basically where it ends. Right, so.
And this is including getting intimate.
And this is including getting intimate. All right, so just like this, now paste it up. So basically just want to finish the entire video. So now once you have it all, make sure to click on share and click on download as MP4. Click on all pages and click on download. So congratulations, now you have a viral video that you can post on Reddit, or even Instagram, or even YouTube Shorts, or even Facebook Reels. So you can post this single video on all of these different social media platforms, and I guarantee that it's gonna get a bunch of views just like these guys are getting, right? So if it works for this person, it's probably gonna work for you as well. And now it's time to monetize our traffic, right? So once our video starts getting views, they have to come to our profile and click on some type of link to learn more about what we are doing and what we are offering. So go over to clickbank.com. This is a free affiliate marketplace, and now you want to scroll down and you want to find the niche that you are in. So this is a relationship advice, relationship niche. So make sure to scroll down and search for self-help, all right? And you can click on this entire category, and you can see, guys, his secret obsession, incredible conversion for female cold traffic. So you can use this offer, to monetize your TikTok account, or you can scroll down, and when you scroll down you can see the obsession method, huge new men's dating offer, so you can use this one as well. But I just recommend you to use the first one. This is the best converting on ClickBank right now. As you can see, the gravity score is 150 and you're gonna make $60 per sale. And as you can see, this offer has reoccurring commissions, which is gonna allow you to make passive income promoting this offer. So what you want to do now is click on promote, create hop link, and copy it. So now head over to linktree.ee, and now we want to create our landing page and add the link to our landing page. So once you have a free account, make sure to go to appearance, and you want to fill all of this information out. So basically add your image, your profile title, your bio, and choose your theme. And once you have this, go back to links, and you want to add your link to your landing page. So all you have to do is add new links, right? Title, you can do basically the title of the offer. I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to click on the offer. And when you scroll through this page, as you can see, a pop-up popped up. And this is a call to action. Show me the attraction secrets. So we can use this call to action on our landing page, right? So we can add something like, show me the attraction secrets. And here you add your URL, right? Add your URL and make sure to click on save. So this is an unsafe URL because it's directly from ClickBank, but what you can do is you can go to tinyurl.com, right? Just real quick, go to tinyurl.com, paste your URL and make tinyurl. You can copy this right now, go back to Linktree and you can paste it instead of that link. And now it's all good to go. And as you can see, when you preview your landing page, show me the attraction secrets, you can click on it and this directly gets you to the ClickBank offer. So this is our landing page that we can promote on our TikTok profile. So congratulations guys, right now you have a viral video that you can upload to all of these social media networks. You have a landing page and you have an offer that you can start sending traffic to. Now before I end the video, I just want to mention that I'm launching an affiliate marketing training program with coaching on September 24th. And if you're interested in something like that, right, affiliate marketing course with my personal coaching, lifetime, then make sure to click the first link below this video and you can join the waitlist. We have 100 people waiting for this launch and the seats are limited. So guys, if you're interested in that, make sure to click the first link below this video and sign up. I'm also going to show you guys what's included. We have almost 12 modules and 5 insane bonuses. So guys, click the first link below this video to check out what's included. Before I end the video, make sure to subscribe and like if you have enjoyed. Comment what you think about this method, and thank you so much for watching. Once again, I'll see you in the next one.